Hi, and welcome to BetterCreditGuaranteed.com. My name is Jesse Rodriguez, and I am the author of The Credit Blueprint. I've been seen on ABC, NBC, CBS, CNN, and Fox News.
And Jesse is fantastic. He gave of himself with so much love and compassion. And
not many people share this kind of knowledge.
So now I'm kicking myself for it, knowing that I had options and that I never knew that were available to me.
In my past workings with Jesse, I actually was attempting to remove an item off my credit report, which was a second mortgage from the recession of $40,000. And working with Jesse, I was able to do that.
That only somebody that's been doing it for a long time and has been involved in the process knows those little tricks, those little ninja tricks that only professional like Jesse can do.
Jesse was able to delete $8,900 of debt from my credit report and 15 negative items.
And it's a relief to me to know that now I do have excellent credit as a result of working with Jesse.
My credit score went from a 530 to a 770 in 6 months.
Over the last 6 months, my credit's gone up at least 50 points.
And now I'd like your permission to tell you my story. It is private and personal, so if you don't want to hear it, please close out now. I was raised by a single mother. My uncle was the man that I looked up to and respected most of my young life. He passed away when I was 11, which led me to act out. My mom didn't know what to do, so she sent me to a boarding school for troubled youth. I was getting bad grades, I wasn't doing what I was supposed to, and I had no path in life at that time. Once I got out, I had so much hatred towards my parents that I decided I would rather be homeless, which led me to having bad credit and all kinds of other problems. This is how I felt. I even hired 2 different credit repair companies and tried to do it myself with no luck. I didn't know where to turn until I met my mentors. I was mentored by 2 of the most powerful credit trainers around, as you can see here. Then I decided to start Cobalt Credit Services, the website you're on right now. My goal was to help consumers overcome their bad credit. As you can see, I've been doing this for a long time. Look at that beautiful baby face there on Fox News. I've also hosted numerous radio shows and helped thousands of people improve their credit and achieve their goals. And now I am actually one of the top credit trainers for other credit repair companies. As you can see, I was featured at the Credit Boot Camp. So there's a problem. You want to buy a house, finance a car, retire early or build wealth, and take vacations with your family. And it feels so close, but the banks and the credit bureaus are holding you back, making you feel like this. But there's a solution. My name's Jesse Rodriguez, and I'm here to give you the solution. It's right there in my head. I've been working on it for over 11 years. So here's my offer to you. Click Get Started Now to schedule a free, no obligation consultation with me personally. No one else is going to look at your file. Click Get Started Now, and I'll give you all of the instructions on how to pull your own credit report without causing an inquiry and how to start improving and maximizing your credit scores. I'll see you on the other side.